The day 2 of Champashashti festival continued with a controversial Madesnana practice taking centre stage. While the ritual was practiced without any deterrence, protesters on the other hand voiced their opinions loud and clear. Here's a report.
Adamant temple authorities, equally adamant protesters and devotees whose blind belief refuses to die. This is how you can sum up day 2 of the Champashashti festival held at Kukki Subramanya temple. Despite several protests against the Madesnana practice, the temple authorities seemed to be least affected by them. What was more surprising was that the practice saw a rise in the number of participants today. While 202 participants rolled over the leftover meals yesterday, a staggering 500 odd people took part in the seva today. The lunch, which was to start at 1:30 p.m. this afternoon, was delayed by an hour. The reason? After media covered the ritual yesterday, the temple authorities decided to ban them from covering the Madesnana. A tiff broke out between the media and the authorities. Finally, the media was allowed to cover the ritual from a corner of the temple, but what we saw was heart-wrenching. Children bear the brunt of blind belief. What we got to witness today left us wondering if the society has really progressed. Children aged between 5 to 8 were made to roll over the food, making it a painful sight. A child suffering from a skin disease was forcefully made to roll over the leftover food. Despite the child's constant refusal and cries, the parent refused to oblige. The ritual is believed to cure participants of health issues. While the benefits of the practice have never been verified scientifically, many consider the ritual as a superstition. Protesters go on a hunger strike. Devotees of Revanna Siddheshwara Mutt, including the seer himself, took to the streets and protested in front of the Mangalore DC's office. Sri Basavaraja Devaru, the seer, condemned the practice and demanded the government's action against the superstition.
ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕನಕದಾಸರು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಶಿವನಾಳ ಸರೀಫ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಬುದ್ಧ ಅನೇಕ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರು ಸಮಾನತೆಯನ್ನ ಬೋಧಿಸಿ, ಭಾತೃತ್ವವನ್ನ ಬೋಧಿಸಿ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನ ಬೋಧಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮಡೆ ಸ್ನಾನವನ್ನ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯಸ್ಥರು, ಪುರೋಹಿತಶಾಹಿಗಳು, ಜಾತಿವಾದಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ತೀಟಿಯನ್ನು ತೀರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡೆ ಸ್ನಾನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ತೀವ್ರವಾಗಿ ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
The protest was conducted by the Karnataka Backward Classes Communities Organization and the participants went on a hunger strike. While protesters continue to express their anger against the superstition, the temple authorities refuse to pay heed and continue with the practice. Will the government ever wake up and take action? Sukesh, News 9, Mangalore.